So most people, when they climb mountains, miles up and down, you're not going to find them playing soccer on top of it, are you?
Injuries happen.
He's like, come on! And we're like, oh my god, he hits it and he wins. And we're like, dude!
There's 2 whole plants hanging up in my shed right now that nobody wants to deal with.
Yeah.
So here we are, starting the first winter hike. Not really sure about the mileage that we're doing because we had to change the whole hike because the access roads were closed due to storms. So here we are. So when you plan a trip and everything changes and the first 5 miles are straight uphill with that weight, you really weren't mentally ready for it. You know what I mean? But we always make it.
We look at Galvin like, let her fucking win. And he goes on this spree. Pop. Spree. Pop. He's like, come on! And we're like, oh my god, he hits it and he wins. And we're like, dude, what the fuck are you doing? So he was like, what? Like,
They invented a game where you can't lose the dice. Finally. Dice in the box. Dice in the box.
Just a little cold out. One of the most important things that I'll get into when I first get to my campsite after the collection of the firewood for the evening is to scope out the area and the terrain. That way I know, I can see animal tracks, see what kind of animals are around the area, see if there's any dens that I don't want to be near in the middle of the night that animals may come out of, and, see what other campers may show up at campsites that are somewhat close by to us. It kind of gives you a advantage if you can see the viewpoint of someone else if they're approaching you in the middle of the night. And, it kind of gives you your advantages and disadvantages in your mind. And also, you can think about where you would retreat to if you hear footsteps to give you an advantage point to see what's going on at your campsite. Because people do creep up on campsites and campers in the middle of the night. For some reason or not, you always got to be careful out here. There are 3 important things that you'll need, and that's a water filtration system that you see right there, the food that my buddy's making right there, and heat. Oh, make that 4, and coffee. Yeah, I'm addicted to coffee. It's all good. I'm very in tune with the cycles of the seasons and the moon and the constellations, just nature itself. And I was stoked when I knew I was going to be out here on the Appalachian Trail, full moon on Friday the 13th. Boom. Such a win. Good night, my love. Thank you for everything. Sleep well. If you've never had the opportunity to wake up in the forest on a mountain and see the sunrise and just experience that vibe of the Creator and how this place works, please take the time in 2025 to accomplish that for yourself. Because there's nothing like it. But then again, the first mountain that you climb in the morning is also amazing. Check this out. You are hilarious.
are we on top of High Cock right now?
No, we were going to be if we came to the James from the other side.
Okay.
Yeah. No high cock for you.
No High Cock Mountain today.
We were high cock blocked.
Oh. Oh.
Truck. Yeah. It's like, why don't you just plow that shit off the road and open it up?
We'll follow you.
What else are you doing? You gonna just go open some signs and close them?
It was probably like that side stick across the road.
I mean, I'm guaranteeing that they do spend a ton of time driving right now.
Yeah, like it's surprising.
So most people, when they climb mountains, miles up and down, you're not going to find them playing soccer on top of it, are you? unique group of amazing people right here. 100%.
Little injuries happen.
Let's go.
They're a mountain juggling team. Alumni gathering.
Oh man.
Our main donors. The green program.
Oh, those look like Polonia. That's Polonia. That's an invasive shit. But they look kind of like hickory nuts. The best nuts you ever put in your mouth. Uh-oh.
It's all on tape, baby. It's all on tape. Busted. It's an amazing day, an amazing hike. Whew. Loving life.
You have that whole hill. Yeah.
Amazing. That's all I gotta say. Amazing.
Go back to the campsite.
Boom.
You're tucked away to just be gravel. When that road cut in, looked like it was hard to get through. Like they were at that spot for a reason. Could be something like uranium.
Look how loose his head looks when he goes back. It's like he's fully like.
We've been doing these hikes together for the last 7 years, and I decided to change it up a little bit this year. Instead of leading, I decided to be the end of the pack and just enjoy my hike, see the scenes, enjoy the scenery, look for the animals, keep your head raised. Because when you're in the front, I don't know about anybody else, but I get in this like go, go, go mentality, like it's a mission. I'd rather enjoy it. Oh yeah. The legends, the legends.
James is down there.
James is waiting.
Yeah, jokes for days, baby. Jokes for days.
What the hell are you talking about, Rod?
Talk about James' gender preferences. Sexually fluid. Sexually fluid is what we all aspire to.
Is that where I've been going wrong?
No, it is good.
I think one of my favorite things is just like see where we come from every time. Like it's really kind of cool.
Cool.
To be like we were just on the top of that thing.
No peep. Clearwater Country Club. Say that again.
The clip's definitely going in, man. The clip's definitely going in. So, for those of you that do extreme hiking distances like this, you'll understand what I'm saying when I say every mile on the trail is different, and it's always filled with a different emotion. The emotions can come up and go down, all depending on mainly Mother Nature and the state of your feet, your back, your shoulders, and your hips. So, hey, I'm going to talk about some ridge walking here in a second. Not all ridges are fun, right?
Oh yeah.
What's happening?
We're just looking at the miles.
Where?
Keeping the brakes cool.
So the section of the Appalachian Trail located in Virginia is known as the Green Tunnel. because majority of it, you're not going to get many views. You're just covered in green, lush forest. But winter hikes are where it opens up. You can see everything.
I tell you what, this trail has impressed me. Yeah. Like, very solid second place. I mean, they've even been better than the other prizes.
The guys you see me hiking with have been doing these kind of hikes for 20 years together. And I am very grateful, and I was very fortunate to be invited to join their group. And like I said, I've only been with them for 7 years now. And I have learned so many valuable tips and survival things that if you're just now starting these trail hikes, I mean, these things are stuff you need to know. So if you're just starting out, I recommend finding yourself a mentor that's been in these situations and roll with them, at least your first couple of hikes. It's kind of funny. If you ask any experienced hiker whether they would rather go up a mountain or down a mountain, they're going to say up a mountain. And it doesn't matter how heavy their packs are. Coming down these mountains puts a lot of stress on your body. Down to the James River. Yes, sir. Me, personally, I enjoy these ridge walks, like that amazing ridge right there. You never know really what you're going to get into, but it's always a fun adventure. And another good thing about winter hikes, there's no leaves in the trees. You can see for a long ways. And that's important when you're at the end of your leg strength and you see these shelters, home base. You see them a lot earlier, and it makes your mental state go up real quick.
Oh, yeah. Spotlight on me. I've been trying to do anything for so long.
That's what I needed. I needed that 10.
They're always picking the robber on me.
Every once in a while, you'll find a hobby that changes your life forever. And it's an amazing, amazing feeling. James River footbridge on the AT. As always, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. LA landscape style. Peace.